When it comes to protecting your home and the treasures within it, homeowners insurance is the first line of defense. Many homeowners operate under the assumption that their policy provides blanket coverage for all of their possessions. However, a closer look at the terms and conditions reveals a more complex picture, particularly concerning personal belongings. While it's true that homeowners insurance does cover personal belongings, there are significant limitations and conditions that policyholders need to understand. Standard homeowners insurance policies typically include personal property coverage. This part of the policy is designed to provide financial protection against loss or damage to your personal items due to a range of perils such as theft, fire, and vandalism. The coverage usually extends to furniture, clothes, electronics, and other household items. However, the devil is in the details. Most policies set a coverage limit, which is the maximum amount the insurance company will pay for a covered loss. This limit is often set at a percentage of the dwelling coverage. That's the part of the policy that covers the structure of your home. For instance, if your dwelling coverage is $200,000 and your personal property coverage is, say, 50% of that, you'd have up to $100,000 for your personal belongings. But it doesn't stop there. Within this coverage, there are often sublimits for certain categories of items. High-value items like jewelry, art, collectibles, and electronics might have much lower sublimits. For example, a policy might only cover up to $1,500 worth of theft of jewelry, which won't go very far if you have a valuable collection or a high-valued item. For many homeowners, the standard sublimits are insufficient for their needs. So if you have expensive jewelry, fine art, heirloom pieces, or high-end electronics, you might find yourself significantly underinsured. This is where additional coverage comes in. Often referred to as scheduled personal property or inland marine coverage, this extra insurance can be purchased to provide high limits and broad protection for specific items. Scheduling an item typically requires an appraisal and adds to your premium, but it ensures that you'll be completely and adequately compensated if an item is lost, damaged, or stolen. Another crucial factor to consider is whether your policy covers the actual cash value or the replacement cost of your belongings. Actual cash value takes into account depreciation, meaning you'll get reimbursed for what the item is worth today, not what it cost when it was new. Replacement cost, on the other hand, reimburses you the amount it would take to buy a new equivalent item. Replacement cost coverage is more expensive, but can be incredibly valuable if you have to replace those items. So, while homeowners insurance does provide essential coverage for your personal belongings, the standard policies are not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's crucial to read the fine print, understand the limits and sublimits, and consider additional coverage for your valuable items. Regularly reviewing your policy and updating it to reflect new purchases or changes in the value of your possessions can save you from significant financial loss and heartache in the event of a claim. Being proactive and well-informed about your coverage ensures that your treasured belongings are truly protected.